Welcome to Paradise Living. We are excited today to be at the Colonial in Puerto Vallarta, the Colonial condominiums. This 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath is on the market for $495,000 USD. It's a perfect investment for a traveling couple, the working nomad, an expat condo. It's an amazing and beautiful condominium. You're going to love this building. Come on in. In this beautiful condominium, the perfect investment for an Airbnb, and it's set up turnkey for an Airbnb investor to just come right in. There's 2 spacious bedrooms right here. Let's go check out the first bedroom. You can see that it is super spacious. Bathroom to the left, very spacious. Each bedroom has a king-size bed, television, air conditioner, lock boxes for your renters, and a lovely patio that stretches out and gives such a view of Puerto Vallarta. Like, you're really in a Mexican community here, and you can hear it, you can smell it, and you can see the mountains. It's absolutely sensory stimulation of the right kind. So I love that both bedrooms are equally as spacious. So let's go into the second bedroom. This entire condominium is 1,100 square feet, so it's very spacious, very well lit, a lot of natural light. So king size bed and your own patio, your own ensuite, air conditioner, of course, nice big TV. Lots of whites and browns. This is really contemporary feeling architecture. So you've got this modern building in a very Mexican neighborhood, and it really it's a really nice contrast. Full disclosure, I've actually stayed here, and I used to call this building the diamond on the hill. It stands out at night as a diamond, and I can only imagine and remember what it's like to sit on the patios, have my morning coffee, have a glass of wine. This unit offers 3 distinct patios, 1 in each bedroom and 1 off the kitchen. Even though we're in the heart of a bustling Mexican community, it's very quiet in here. The windows are very heavy PCP. The bathroom is silent and very spacious. I've got my lockbox. This condo has the most amazing rooftop, and we will be going up there shortly, but I have my beach towels. I can walk to the Melicon. It's so well situated, close to everything. The bathroom is just calm and quiet. Yeah, so we're now in the living room. It's, again, very contemporary, whites and some blacks and cements. You feel very grounded, but uplifted because the natural light and the big full-size windows don't stop throughout this whole thing. So everywhere you look, you have a view of the exciting Mexico mountains, the Mexican red rooftops, the terrain. So you're inside, but you still feel like you're outside, and it's a really nice feeling. This is a spacious living room, huge TV, lots of room to relax, nice, very comfy, new furniture. Like, this is a turnkey unit. The furniture comes with it. The furniture is very comfortable and high-end. I like it. Everything's smart in here. You've got your smart TV, and then it just effortlessly flows into your kitchen. So double door Samsung fridge. You've got your microwave. If you want your oven, you've got that. And then a contemporary kitchen. And boom, I've got my view. And boom, I've got my view. It goes right up. It's really, really spectacular. Nice high island here for eating. I like that. The brown, soft olives, soft lighting, ceiling fans if you don't want to turn your air conditioning on, but very reasonable HOA fees here, very reasonable HOA fees here. This is a sustainable building with underground parking. It's really the perfect turnkey unit. Again, another patio here, and a huge spacious patio right here that you can spend a lot of time on, which is great. It's such a beautiful unit, very well priced too, I would say, at $495,000 USD. Like I said, this is a diamond on the hill, so let's go check out the incredible rooftop pool. God, I'm getting a lot of memories when I first came to Puerto Vallarta. As I said, this is the building I stayed in, and I enjoyed and loved this rooftop so much. Wait till you see the pool, and it says follow your bliss. You truly feel very inspired here, and excellent amenities. Check out this barbecue area. There's also a killer gym, and the panoramic view of Puerto Vallarta is amazing. You can see the ocean, fireworks at night, every night. And I just want to share that when you're in El Diciembre, this is sort of an up-and-coming neighborhood, and this is the standout building to be in. Not my favorite building for families, but great, like I said, for couples, singles, expat life, nomad travelers. Keep in mind in El Diciembre, this is the area that you go for the taco tour, you go have a shot of tequila, you can walk to the Melicon, lots of camarones, fresh shrimp. It's really that kind of life where you're walking, you're enjoying the authentic and good savory parts of Mexico, but it's also a safe area. This building has 24-hour security. It's important to mention that, but it's like really where you feel the happy vibe of Mexico. You're always hearing the sounds of Mexico, the Mexican music, and yeah, it's a great place to be. You're close to the romantic zone, you're close to the stadium, you're close to everything. 5 or 10 minute Uber or taxi ride to get you wherever you want to go. The Colonial is a special building, the diamond on the hill in a very popular neighborhood, El Diciembre. It's been so cool to be here. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe for new, hot, and upcoming properties in Puerto Vallarta.